Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a light bulb. Let's start off by drawing a large curve like so for the glass. Then close out the bottom with a flat line. Draw some wavy lines out from the bottom for the base of the light bulb with another flat line underneath. Then, draw a small bump on the bottom, followed by some lines across the base for the part of the light bulb that gets screwed in. To add some more detail, draw two lines going out from the base and pointing at each other for the filament. And then some zigzags in between for the electricity. And some small ovals up here to make the glass look shiny. And some lines around for the light. And now you've got a light bulb.